Godverdomme, hé. Was dat ding de hele tijd aan het opnemen?
Ja, tuurlijk.
Nu ook?
Ja, waarom?
Ja, dan moet je eruit wissen.
Ja, we gaan...
Echt dat ding kapot.
Amazing.
Chaos.
Genieten.
Fantastic.
I am here at the airport in Barcelona with my guy Yusuf. How you doing, Yusuf?
I'm good.
How was the trip in Barcelona?
It was amazing.
It was unbelievable. It was amazing. Like words cannot describe it, so please watch this vlog.
Watch the vlog.
When you watch it, what do you do? Comment,
Like, subscribe.
share, whatever. Spread the word. But before we're gonna continue the vlog, I'm gonna explain why I've been passive lately on YouTube. I haven't been posting as much as I should. And the reason therefore is because is that I started my own law firm. It's called MEKOR. You can check out the website www.mekor.nl to see what I have to offer. So in case you need a lawyer, there's actually a lawyer. You're looking at one right now. But I promise you people, my law firm has been set up. So I have more time for vlogging again. So I'm gonna keep posting videos. I have a lot of videos. But first, watch this vlog.
Yes. BMT naar Barcelona. Wat zegt dat? Huh? Verdette van ons team. Zag even wat van, man.
We zijn er, jongens. We gaan nu naar Barcelona. Ik ben hier met Mr. Aansteker en onze
Teammanager.
topadvocaat. Dus stel jezelf even voor.
Hallo dames en heren, mijn naam is Romario, beter bekend als de rechtsweg van BMT.
Als je maar weet.
Dus bij deze, we zijn onderweg naar...
Catalonia! Naar Catalonia! We houden jullie op de hoogte, dames.
Zeker.
Si.
Arda, can you tell the viewers why you're stressed?
Ik zie mezelf.
Tell the viewers why you're stressed.
Ja, hij gaat ook Engels praten ook. Ik kan niet eens Nederlands praten, hij gaat Engels praten. Film hem.
You can respond in Dutch.
Hij heeft echt een rijke lach deze kukkel, hè.
We are here at Schiphol, going to Barcelona with BMT.
Yes sir.
This is the club, the best club in The Hague, with the 3 best football players in The Hague. And we're gonna make a great trip. And you're gonna see a lot of these people.
It's fun.
I don't drink coffee.
Koffie is klaar.
I don't drink coffee, my friend.
He doesn't drink coffee, no alcohol, no smoking, nothing.
Don't! Okay, I'm gonna bleep that out. El Capitan.
Hij is al
El Capitan.
hij is al aan het filmen.
What do you have to say about this camp?
This camp, yeah, my English is not
You can
as
say it in
good as
Dutch.
yours.
You can say it in Dutch.
In Dutch? Ja, we
I
hebben
prefer English, but you can speak in Dutch.
Ja, tuurlijk, we hebben er allemaal zin in. We gaan met z'n allen naar Barcelona. We gaan trainen en we gaan lol maken natuurlijk, met z'n allen.
If you could describe this camp in one word, what do you expect?
Chaos.
Noordin.
Hoe lang ga ik Engels met jou praten, broer? Ik ga vanavond in Yusuf de schoen poepen. Onthoud dat.
This is our secretary. Welcome, sir. Murat, the silent force behind the
We are
scenes.
looking forward, Mesut, to the camp. And you?
Ja, broer. Draai de camera naar jezelf, broer. Nee.
I'm happy I'm here with Noordin, one of my favorite players of the club. We're gonna have a great time. It's gonna be madness. It's gonna be crazy, especially with this guy.
Je kan hebben, als ik
Jullie hebben de hoogste trainer.
Maar ik moet niet net check meer wie.
Hey, how are you, man? I'm fine. My English is very bad. Geen kaart? Nee, oh. Split dan! Inzetten en een vogel op en dan splitten. En dan kun je zo verder.
What are you doing?
Ja, als je...
Noordin, English. English.
Als je 1 euro zegt,
Wait, yeah.
Atjussen,
With nice.
dan zeg je kaart.
Oh, I like this.
First can. Hit or stand?
Pas. En die is nu dood. Maar die is niks
Hit or stand?
Hit me, man. Come on.
On je de dem
Hit or stand?
Gaan we gewoon zo doen.
Dan pak ik
12.
Ja, trouwens,
12 for
ik heb
22.
ik had 20.
Hit me, man.
een malletje op ritme.
19.
19.
Mooi.
Je ziet het,
Oh,
And the house wins. As always, the house wins. Don't gamble. Gamble is not good. The house always wins.
It's the first time.
Yusuf, this is the first time you're on camera on Life of Mesut. And how does it feel?
It's good. We are going to Barcelona with this beautiful club, BMT. And yeah, we're going to train.
Describe this trip in one word, what do you expect? One word. that's it.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
Okay, amazing people. Barcelona. I cannot say the th. I don't know how to say it, but Barcelona. Here we come.
Ja.
Welcome to trainingskamp 2025 BMT. What do you have to say?
Moet ik Engels praten? Ja, my English is a little bit difficult. It's difficult.
What's difficult, my mate?
English.
You can respond.
English.
You can respond in Dutch if you want.
Jij gaat translate. Ja, we gaan lekker op trainingskamp.
If you had to
Barcelona.
describe this trip in one
Alleen we
word,
hebben wel 1,5 uur gewacht op de incheck Bali.
why?
Dat was, onze reiscoördinator was afwezig.
It's a shame.
It's a shame.
Such a shame. Who's your coordinator?
Ja, dat ben jij toch?
They always complain.
Lieg ik dan bro? Je hebt met mij samen gewacht bro, 1,5 uur.
Maar luister, als je mij vragen gaat stellen, mag iedereen weten ook. Praat Nederlands met me, ja?
I don't speak Dutch.
Ja, mooi verhaal.
Ik ga voor hem vertalen, geen probleem. Vraag in Engels, ik ga voor hem vertalen.
Kom op, vertel. Kom op, we genieten.
Could you ask him how you would describe this trip in one word?
Genieten. Trainen en genieten.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. En kampioen worden.
You, Ismail?
Enjoy, yeah.
Creative?
I'm enjoying till now.
3 times enjoy, let's go man.
Let's go, mate. Let's go, mate.
Ik heb een flesje Bacardi gekregen. Hij was wit. En nu is hij donker.
Oké.
Ik weet niet waar het fout is gegaan, maar
Ergens gaat fout.
ik ga in ieder geval, nu je toch aan het filmen bent, ga ik het testen.
Shot hem.
Dan kan ik het reten.
Wauw.
Mesut is aangesteld als onze reisgids. Uiteindelijk laat hij ons gewoon zitten met 3 koffers die niet ingecheckt zijn. Wat vind je nu ervan?
Je weet, ik ben net de jongen, deze jongens komen allemaal om te feesten. Ik kom gewoon zaterdag te voetballen. 3 punten, belangrijk. Goeie voorbereiding.
Did you promise something to the group, Ismail?
I didn't promise it.
Did you promise them bottle service?
Friday prayer.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Before training.
No,
And then after we have training.
If I know what a mosque is. I think I heard of it.
And tonight I will go to the gym with my PT Sinan Keski.
You're gonna do cardio tonight?
Yeah, we're gonna do cardio.
A lot of cardio?
Minimaal 45 minutes.
In the bus, on our way to the hotel, missing 5 pieces of luggage. They didn't put it on the plane at Schiphol. Terrible, terrible service op Schiphol. Hopefully it will come tomorrow.
Ik doe live verslag vanuit de bus. Op dit moment is er een vechtpartij gaande. Een vechtpartij tussen Marokkanen en Turken. Hoe vind je dit komt? Ja, je bent live.
Can you get a comment? What can you tell the viewers? What happened here? What happened?
De camera aan de weg. Waar is mijn schoen?
What happened, Mo?
Waar is die pata, man?
Wie is deze?
Dit is van mij.
Oh, wat heb je gepakt?
El Capitan, can you tell what happened? What happened over here?
My English is not good.
Tell in Dutch. Tell in Dutch.
Waar is mijn schoen?
Nee.
Hoe moet ik uitleggen dan?
Mijn kop is dat.
What happened?
He jumped my friend. And we fucked him up. Bro, moet. Hoe moet ik dat zeggen dan?
We messed him up.
Oh, we messed him up.
Waar is mijn schoen?
Look at his hair.
Waar is mijn schoen?
Ik denk deze Marokkaan.
Murad, as an innocent bystander, what happened? What did you see and how did you feel about it?
No, I feel good because I was looking, Fredo had some big bouts to Arda and Arda grabbed him and then he got his right hand and then the Moroccan guy is attacking him. Yusuf attacking him, so it was 4 against 1 and Fredo lost, man. He lost his shoes, like look at
Does
it.
this feel good?
Yeah, it was fun, it was fun.
Do you
it was
feel
fun.
satisfied right now?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, no, because he's my primo, but it felt good to see him suffer a little bit.
Yusuf, what happened here?
What happened? Mo, smash.
You were there at the crime scene.
I was there.
You were correspondent.
Yes, I was the first response. I did a live report about this situation. Like, I saw like a couple of guys jumping on another guy for just nothing.
What does this mean for Barcelona?
I think this is disaster. is just a disaster because they're like 1 minute they are here, and it's already going crazy. So I think I just know. I think this kind of guys you need to put them on the front.
I think we found the culprit. That's this guy. That's this guy.
En wie krijgt de schuld? Holland de Marokkaan. Holland de Marokkaan.
And while there was a fight in the back, there was a party at the front. So the party side is the front, the bad side is the. Oh, you feel better now?
Slaap lekker soms.
This is Norden. He sleep here in the lobby.
I ate my food. Now I heard that we need to pay. I'm not gonna pay. So I will just walk away silently